I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's exciting video for both of us, what are you doing today?
I'm gonna learn how to drive stick today.
And what do you drive?
I drive that 2013 GTR.
So he's gonna learn how to drive stick in my Miata that at one point had 100 horsepower, right now probably has less because it's old and beat. And what does your car make?
520 wheel.
So it's gonna be an experience. It might be a little bit fast for him here, but he's gonna learn some stick and this is gonna be a good time. So let's get into it.
Woo!
Yeah, feel the gears a little bit.
Don't do that. Wait, oh, reverse is over.
Reverse is over.
You
while
can't hit
you're
reverse
moving,
unless you push over, right?
yeah.
You have to like all the way over.
All the way over.
Okay, so
while you're moving, it would be really hard to do, but just don't do it.
I'm not gonna try to. I do know that.
All right, so for real basics, you got 3 pedals now. I know that's a lot to keep track of.
I'm usually just push this one on the floor and push a pedal in the air.
Yeah, and then you're going like 100 miles an hour in 4 seconds.
That usually helps, yeah.
But okay, so your left pedal is your clutch. So you want to press that all the way in when you start the car and when you shift gears. Then obviously you got your gas and your brake. Those are just like your GTR. And then to shift, do you know how to get into first? Over and forward, he knows. And then second, yep, third.
This is where you eat a sandwich between the two.
Yeah. So that looks all good.
I don't think I'm ever gonna make it out of third.
No, we're just gonna do some slow loops here to start, so.
And then we can do fast loops.
Yeah,
after.
in your car. All right, I'm gonna give you the keys. I'm gonna buckle up.
We're sweating here. Where's the on button? Where's the push to start?
We'll experiment with the push to start after.
Oh, damn, here we go.
He started it.
Are we taking bets on how fast I stall out?
Instantly, you're gonna stall out right away.
You think I'm gonna stall out before I even get to my car?
Yeah.
This is gonna be interesting.
You're gonna stall out, guaranteed.
All right, so clutch and brake into first.
Into first.
Parking brake. Oh my gosh, I can feel that in my foot.
Do you know the basics? Do you know what to do?
I'm off clutch onto gas, but I feel like I'm just gonna end up dumping this one and then we're gonna have a problem. But we'll try to finesse it as slow as possible.
If you dump the clutch, you will stall. You have no power.
So. All right, off brake.
Oh my God, first shot. GTR owner knows how to drive a stick.
Oh my God. That was really rough.
Can he shift though?
So wait, should I do it after this hill? I feel like I get to the top of this hill and then I'll shift.
Hey, you're all right. It doesn't have that little power. Clutch all the way in. Second. Dude, you're a champ.
I didn't stall.
You didn't stall.
All right, we're gonna be ballsy. I'm gonna go for third.
Oh boy.
Actually, I'm gonna go a little quicker and then clutch in third.
He's a natural.
Oh my God, we're doing it. We're doing this manual thing, baby. This is great.
You selling the GTR and getting one of these?
Oh, dude, 100%. All right, we're going to all right, so I'm gonna clutch in and brake.
Yeah.
And shift out second.
I just go right back into first now.
Okay, into first.
Yeah.
All right, so here, do we stall out right here? Here we go, we're gonna try. Oh!
Oh, there it is. That was pretty good though. That was a good start.
All right, into first, off the brake, a little bit, nope. Trying again.
It's because we're on just a little bit of a hill now and it's gonna screw you up. So what you need to do now is give it just a little bit more gas when you're going to start. And then right when you feel the clutch start to grab, go even slower.
On the gas or on the clutch?
On the clutch, go even slower.
Okay. So I'm gonna off the brakes, a little bit more gas.
You know,
I hope you find this amusing.
I do. I thought it went so good the first time, and then that just happened.
I'm gonna focus. Here we go. All right.
All right.
Into first.
Into first.
Off the brake, on the clutch a little bit. No.
Little more gas, a little slower on the clutch. Oh yeah. Perfect.
All right. So the hill starts are gonna be a problem. I'm just driving in a circle. I don't even know where I'm going.
Yeah, we're just going in a circle.
Right, we're gonna go for second here.
Oh yeah. Now you will note that this only has 5 gears. I know in the Fast and the Furious movies that you watch, they have like
18.
Yeah, 18 more.
I would have already shifted twice, 3 times. All right. Dude, so the stop and go is really where it's gonna get me.
That's where it's gonna get you. Once you're moving, it's hard to stall.
I'm clutched in and braking.
Yep.
I'm gonna shift down to first.
Yep.
I can do that. And
yep.
Let off the clutch. Oh, all right, that was a little smoother, but I had momentum.
That was pretty good.
We'll stop up here at clutching in.
Clutch in.
We're gonna brake. I stalled like, I think 3 or 4 times at least, because it was a probably a 0.01% inclined hill.
It was like nothing. It was like flat plus a tiny bit.
You know what? I will give it credit. That's one thing I don't have in a GTR is the I think. All right, here we go. We're gonna try a flat start, professional.
Oh, there it is.
He didn't stall it.
He didn't stall it. He put the clutch back.
There we go.
I feel like I gotta do more gas per clutch let out.
Yeah, just a little bit more gas. It doesn't feel like you're giving it very much.
We're gonna try the first gear attempt here.
Oh boy.
We're gonna go from a stop too. I'm gonna try this. All right, we're on a hill.
All right, patience, my friend.
Oh, I just stalled it out.
That was impressive.
I thought I was still in. All right, here we go. Off the brake, on the gas. No.
All right. No, you didn't. You didn't stall it. You didn't stall it.
Wow, you're gonna need a new clutch.
This clutch has about 1,000 miles on it.
Well, it's gonna about have 10,000 miles
Yeah.
after this. I will say the 2-pedal, it's a nice feeling.
It is.
Let's see what our driving instructor says. How's it going, Mr. Driving Instructor?
Huh?
How's it going? Do you think I'm doing A+? I didn't.
Doing better, a lot better than
I
did.
didn't
My first
stop-
time driving manual, and I learned on A4.
I didn't stall out this time. I got.
It was close.
It was close.
Actually,
It was very.
you did stall somehow.
I stalled out, but I don't know how because I wasn't even trying to move.
We're gonna have to find a like small hill, and then I'm gonna have to get insurance on my clutch.
I'll just have to end up buying you a second clutch.
Yep.
I watched your video the other day. I think it's only like $100 for a flywheel and clutch though. So
Yeah,
like,
you're right. You're
Yeah,
right.
I came
it's
prepared.
160 for the flywheel and the
yeah.
clutch,
Well, you're just
but-
getting the clutch. 'cause
Okay,
the
okay.
flywheel ran new.
Yeah, true.
All right, here we go. Try number 2. We're letting off the brake. Good amount of gas, but I don't see we're over 2,000.
He's not used to
Very
the throttle responsiveness.
Oh.
Here we go.
All right, a little more gas. Yeah, so a little smoother on the clutch. So as soon as you start to move, you could feed it just a little bit more gas and let the clutch out even slower.
I do like just shifting though. I'm not gonna lie.
It's a lot of fun.
I like that. Like you know what I mean? That's like a good.
With something like this, when you're not getting to 60 in under 3 seconds, like you want to be shifting.
I feel like you feel so fast. It is. It's definitely like people are right. It's a more engaging drive.
It's way more engaging.
It is.
driving
Like you
this.
feel like you're doing like a lot more, and you feel like you just like I don't know. It's a feel. Off the brake. We'll get it.
Little smoother on the clutch. That was pretty good.
The pink. All right.
Yeah.
Let's go the opposite way. Maybe this will help. All right.
Can he reverse?
All right, we're gonna try. So this is into neutral and then
Yeah.
over into reverse. And
Yes,
it's the
sir.
same thing as before, but now I have to do it right because I'm not going.
He's better in reverse than he is forwards.
Down the lines.
That dude, I'm just trying to turn around at this point. Yeah, you can see like I can see the sky. I've never seen this much air in my entire life while driving. All right, let's see if I can pull out of here and not stall. Fucking Christ! More gas. No, see, we're not. I don't want to go over 2,000. We're working on how much of the clutch I let, like how smooth. I think I'm doing this with my foot. I'm like letting off. I'm like, all right, the RPMs are good. And I'm like, I let off more, and then it's like, boom.
It's the opposite of what you think. Once it starts to grab, you got to go slower, not faster. That was a good one.
I went slower on the clutch.
That's perfect. Do that every time, and you'll be a champ.
When do you? I mean, you probably spirited driving this, but like
Yeah.
daily, what RPM do you usually shift at?
I still drive it hard, just driving it around because it's slow.
Yeah, dude, I'm only doing 20. Oh my
yeah,
god! If
no.
I was in my...
It's really slow. So like I just rev it all the way out most of the time.
What is all the way out?
I normally,
yeah.
I normally shift at like 6,500 RPM. If I'm like really just cruising around, I'll shift it like a little over 4,000.
Dude, I am short shifting this. I'm shifting at like 2,000 to 3,000. This kid over here, 4,000 if I'm normally driving. If I'm gonna let it rev out, it's gonna be like 6,500. I don't have to get out of first gear this whole drive. That's the thing what he never told me. He's like, we're teaching him how to drive, but actually he never has to get out of first.
Dude, when I should...
Oh, it's
Not bad.
cleaner than most.
That's better than we've done. You could rev it out if you want a little. All right.
The starts. Into third.
Oh,
my mom
yeah.
can do this. This is really upsetting. Like, I'm thinking about this, like, yeah, my mom can drive manual, and like, here I am stalling out on fucking a 1% hill.
Yep. I think my mom actually taught me how to drive manual too.
Dude, I love coming back. Like, it's a little bit of motivation, but a lot of it of hurt. It's like, you're doing great. I can't wait to, you know, watch him stall out again. Loser. He backed in animal shit, by the way.
I got some really dirty wheels.
Fuck! I'm glad you two are having enjoyment of this.
You're getting enjoyment out of this too.
Hey, at least we're not yelling at you. When I learned standard on my dad's 840.
All right, guys, he's really getting the hang of it now. This is gonna be a perfect lap right here, right, Alex?
Oh, yeah.
Pressure's on.
I mean, come on, I did that reverse pretty good.
That was nice.
I was like letting off the clutch. I'm like, I need a little bit more. Need a little bit more. I'm good with that in my car because you'll see when I back up, the trans goes because the diffs are so tight. All right, here we go.
Nice.
Oh, that dog is super excited.
Yeah, he is.
Like, super scary excited.
Yeah, I thought he was jumping in with us.
Like, that was a nice smooth into third.
Yeah.
I mean, come on. We're getting there. Here's the dead hill. So, like, the first time I drove around this, I think we stalled like 4 times. So, we'll see. Here we go. Clutching and braking. Into first. Coming to a complete stop. Up a slight hill. Let off the... We're just going to take a beat. A little clutch let off. A little bit of gas.
Not bad.
You probably have viewers who are very manual enthusiasts that are like, this swine.
I gotta have them.
This swine hates this. I don't want to watch this video so bad. What a disgrace to the GTR community.
And then we're gonna have people that don't know how to drive stick that are still gonna roast you.
Oh, 100%.
And they don't know what they're doing too, so.
Like, this is the first time I've ever been in the driver's seat of a manual car.
And a Miata, right?
And I've never been in Miata my entire life.
Or a convertible.
Or a convertible. It's a day of firsts. I'm gonna back in next to my car here.
That was good.
I got a
Nice
very
job,
good from
Alex.
John Luke.
Nice job.
Am I really?
Yeah, well, there's really no line here. Oh, straight, but yeah, it was good.
Nice. How do you feel? Accomplished?
I feel like I've learned something that everybody else knew and I didn't know about it, but now I do, and I can be like, I'm a part of this.
GTR now.
No. Now roll into it, and then you can pick it up.
Oh my god. Oh.
So guys, I just got done driving the GTR, and that is absolutely incredible. Huge thank you to Alex for letting me
No
drive
problem,
that. But
no
how'd you
problem.
like the Miata?
It was a blast. Total blast. I mean, I probably burnt out his brand new clutch. He could have a no check engine light.
Not yet.
Not yet. But when he gets home, it'll come on.
Yeah.
Absolutely, like, I don't know. I've never driven a manual. Totally new experience. I'm used to just paddles, and it always gets a gear. I've never missed a gear. Never driven in a convertible. I mean, today was like a first.
Today was a day of firsts for all of us. So yeah, this was awesome. Once again, huge thank you to Alex. He had fun. I had fun. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe for more. He's gonna go do some more laps in the Miata.
Oh, I should have taken the e-brake off. And then we could have I could have done like wheel spin out.
Just like